You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftatacademy.com. www.netsoftatacademy.com.
Hello and welcome to Lab 66, resolving the subtask of a change. To perform this lab, we need to log in as Bill Walsh. As you can see, I am logged in as Bill Walsh. We'll click on Jira Service Management. And under Spaces, I am going to click on NetSoft IT Service Management. We'll click on the change on which we are working, NIA 14 upgrade database server. Now we are going to, yes, we are there, and now we are going to click on change implementation validation. Now we are working on subtask. We are going to change the status from pending to start progress, and we are going to click on start progress. Okay, now let's move ahead. So let's move ahead from work in progress. We are going to select mark as done. In resolution, we are going to select done, and we are going to add an internal comment mentioning that this task is completed. See, all these are technical detail. The implementation subtask for upgrading the database server from SQL 2019 to 2022 has been successfully completed and mark as done. So this sort of detail that you need to provide. Be very descriptive. No one-liner, two-liner words, no. Be very much descriptive. So now click on mark as done and now close this window. So in this lab, what we did, we have closed the subtask that we have created. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftatacademy.com. www.netsoftatacademy.com.